It looks so unbelievable. It has so many features that are gonna help us out in the everyday life. So I know we're in the car right now. I know it's a little bit weird to see a YouTube video that is made in the car. I just didn't have the time this week, and I wanted to share with you guys the new update that Apple released. So I wanted to show you how you can work with them and how amazing it is. So let's get right into it. So the first feature that this update has is literally my favorite one. It's called Focus. Basically, you can select which notification are gonna go through your phone and they're gonna bother you. Basically, when you're doing a task, it can be when you're at work, it can be when you are studying, when you're gaming. You can select who is the people that can call you, text you. So I think it will be amazing for people that procrastinate a lot. So yeah, this update is unbelievable, guys, for students basically. Let's get right into the other one. The other feature that I love, which will be amazing for students, is just the FaceTime thing. So when you're doing FaceTime with your phone, you can actually select like a portrait mode and it doesn't let you see anything in the back. I don't know about you guys, but when I did my online classes, I struggled a lot with things happening in the back in my house or in another people's house. I think this could be really good for students, just to give it a little bit of privacy when it comes to online classes. And the last thing I know is something extra, but I just love the design of it. Now in the maps, you can scan actually buildings and it tells you in which street you are and which way to go, which I think is so extra, but at the same time it's just super cool. So make sure to guys check that out as well.